Alarming signals you need Gold IRA right now. Economic uncertainty is no longer distant, it is at our doorstep. Retirement savings tied only to paper assets face risks that can no longer be ignored. Gold has been trusted for centuries as a store of value, and today, a Gold IRA is becoming an urgent necessity. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. Recognizing the warning signs early can help protect your wealth before it is too late. 1. Surging inflation. When everyday costs rise faster than income, savings lose power. Gold IRA investments shield retirement accounts from inflation's silent erosion. 2. Weakening dollar. As the US dollar loses strength, global confidence declines. Gold holds intrinsic value, making it a safer long-term asset. 3. Unstable stock market. Sharp market swings can devastate retirement funds. A Gold IRA balances this volatility with tangible protection. 4. Growing geopolitical tensions, wars, conflicts, and unrest trigger panic in markets. Gold demand rises in such times, signaling the need for diversification. 5. Mounting national debt. Record-breaking debt raises questions about economic stability. Gold IRA accounts act as a hedge against potential currency decline. 6. Banking uncertainty. Bank closures and financial instability shake trust. Holding physical gold in an IRA restores confidence in your retirement plan. 7. Retirement insecurity. Traditional pensions and Social Security are under strain. A Gold IRA provides an independent safeguard for long-term wealth. The signals are clear: inflation, debt, and uncertainty are accelerating. A Gold IRA is not just an investment trend, it is a critical shield for retirement savings. By acting now, investors secure stability, diversify risk, and preserve the value of their wealth for the future. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.